Let's dive into the tabletop double knee lift. I'm Dr. Nichelle Gurley, specialized in prenatal and postnatal movement. Let's come on down to the ground. So you're going to stack your shoulder over your wrist, your hips over your knees. Before we start this movement, you're going to actively push yourself away from the ground. So you're going to engage those shoulders. When you lift, I want you to think about your lower belly lifting up. So you're going to think about pubic bone lifting towards your belly button. So it's not a gripping of the abs, it's a lower belly scoop. So push away from the ground, lift that lower belly. And then my toes are tucked, and I'm going to drive my knees up and slowly lower them down. The whole time I'm doing that lower belly scoop and pushing away from the ground with my shoulders. The breath pattern will be inhale before I even lift my knees, exhale, scoop my lower belly as I lift up. So it's going to be inhale, at the bottom, I like to do a little reset. I inhale here, I re-push into the ground, engage on the exhale, and then lift again. I lower down, I reset. So I'm going to show you two more in a row.